So you're probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm repacking some bookmarks because I had an oopsie and I don't know what I was thinking. Honestly, I think it's because sometimes when I'm working, I get easily distracted. It's my brain, probably some ADHD, probably cats. I don't know. Anyway, so here's one of the floral photo bookmarks I did in a series. I used several of my florals to make bookmarks. So on the other side, I made sure that was printed my logo and some information on how you could find my Etsy's. But here's the problem. Okay, now for most people that's not a big problem, but for me it's irritating. It's kind of like, I know that no one's going to look closely inside of a garment to see if there's a little puka somewhere or a misplaced stitch. But if I'm making the garment, I know that's there, so I'm going to fix it. Same thing on knitting. Even though my grandmother always said, leaving a mistake in your work shows God that you're human. But I have to fix it. So I'm pretty sure that most people would say, oh, that's really not a big deal. Don't worry about it. For me, it's a big deal. So I'm repacking these. And then when I do a craft boutique in October, I'm going to include these in my oopsie packs. I've got some funny stickers too that I made some silly mistakes with. So I'll just include them. It's not a big deal. People will still be able to use them. I don't throw things away. There's always use for stuff. Have a great day.